Well, hello there. For those of you that are claiming Flash is dead, maybe you better rethink it. In this series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to take a Flash animation, turn it into a sprite sheet, and put that animation into play inside of Edge Animate. And this is the project that we're going to be working on. As you can see, it's a little guy walking along a path in a park, goes behind the tree, and off he goes into the distance. That little guy is from one of the best Flash animators on the planet, Chris Georginas, and he's loaned it to me for the use in this exercise. So the plan is real simple. As I said earlier, we're going to make this guy walk along a path, take Chris's animation, put him walking through a photograph, and off into the distance. So the first step in the process, of course, is to get yourself into Flash. So I'm just going to pop over to the animation in Flash. So we come into Flash, and what we see here is our little character, and he's a symbol. So we're just going to come into the symbol editor here. Double click on the symbol. You can see that it's a graphic symbol. I'm just going to click the play button here so you can see it. And you can see there he is walking away. Now what we're going to do is put him into motion in Animate. And to do that, what we have to do is create a sprite sheet. So what you do to create a sprite sheet is you open up the symbol and you actually work with the symbol's timeline. So you right click on the symbol, generate sprite sheet, and this dialog box opens up. Now I've already changed this because I prefer to work with sprite sheets that are a single strip. But this opens up fairly large, and you can change the width and the height to fit your character or to fit your sprite sheet. Exactly what I've done here. And I put a little bit of space between the shapes just to make a little bit more spread out so I can use it and animate. And of course it's a Ping32 format because I need the transparency in the background. And I'm good to go. So how do I export? Quite simple. You click the export button. It tells you where it's going to go. So we're going to browse, and I'm going to navigate to the desktop, to this folder right here. I'm going to stick it in the assets folder for now. And I'm just going to call it walk. And I click save. That's it. It's done. Now I can click export and the file is done. And that's how you do it. You just simply open a symbol in Flash. If it's animated, make sure that it's not a nested symbol. You can't have animations inside of animations. It's got to be just a straight symbol. Export the symbol as a sprite sheet by simply right-clicking on the symbol, generate the sprite sheet, set your parameters and properties, say where you're going to save it, and then click the export button and you're good to go. In the next exercise, what we're going to do is pull this all together inside of Animate. I'll see you there.